Thank you, Glade. Hello. Hi. Ooh, apples and cinnamon. Are you baking a pie? Oh, no, it's this candle. It smells like the real thing.
Oh, one of those Glade candles.
No, it's French, from France.
French, huh?
Oh, what, you never heard of Glade?
Glade's entire line of candles is made with essential oils, so you'll believe they're the real thing.
And yes, they're Glade.
C. Johnson, a family company.
Hannah races toward the Carolina coast.
Shows you signs of a turbulent ocean.
Stay tuned for live coverage from the most experienced team of meteorologists. Plus, Hurricane Ike fiercely churns through the Atlantic. Stay with the Weather Channel, your hurricane authority.
The Weather Channel is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station.
Coverage of Hannah continues here on the Weather Channel. Now, your local on the 8s.
Currently in our area, 73 degrees with light rain. A flood watch and a wind advisory have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Our local Doppler radar. For tonight, cloudy with occasional showers. Low 67. Winds east at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 70%. And on Saturday, cloudy with occasional rain showers. Humid. High 74. Winds east-southeast at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Rainfall may reach 1 inch. And Saturday night, windy. Showers early. Low 64. Chance of rain 80%. Our 7-day outlook.
You're watching the Weather Channel, your hurricane authority.
We are tracking Tropical Storm Hannah, just hours away from making landfall across parts of the Carolina coastline, and we still have heavy rain coming into right now. Some areas already picking up 3 inches, flooding a huge concern, but one of many concerns and impacts with this tropical storm. And tracking this storm, we have a team of meteorologists along the coast right now. Let's check in with meteorologist Mike Seidel live from Ocean Isle, North Carolina.
Hey, Paul, the 11 o'clock Eastern advisory is in from the National Hurricane Center, and those tropical storm warnings now have been extended north all the way into southern New England for the weekend. The latest on Hannah and Ike next as the Double E continues tonight in HD.
Tropical Storm Hannah. It's just hours from making landfall on the Carolina coast, but this one will be felt all the way to the coast of Maine.
Tonight on Evening Edition, we show you who's being impacted now and what you can expect in the next 24 hours as far as rain, waves, wind, and possible power outages.
Plus, new details on Hurricane Ike. We show you why no one from Florida to the Gulf Coast should take their eyes off this one. On this Friday night, welcome to Evening Edition as we track Tropical Storm Hannah just hours from making landfall. I'm Alexandra Steele.
And I'm Paul Goodlow. The 11 p.m. advisory just came in minutes ago, and Hannah is still a tropical storm, but a strong one. The winds are still at 7.